Hello guys, welcome to Paraguide. So today we are going to develop a SharePoint intranet portal for a small organization called Contoso Limited. Basically this is an IT company which has its three different departments, HR, IT and sales. So this is our root site what we are going to develop here, and under that root site we will have three different sites called HR, IT and sales, and we have a requirement from each department that they need to display their specific data or documents on their home pages, for which we will be developing for which we will be using different lists and libraries. And we also have a requirement to develop a common navigation in the top link bar so that users or can move freely from one site to another. And for IT department we have a requirement to develop a simple ticketing system where users will be able to submit the form whose data will be visible on home page of IT site, and these tickets will be grouped by priority. So let's say we have different priorities, high, medium and low. So based on that priority tickets will be grouped. And we have one more requirement where there will be a video which will be featuring the strengths of each department. So let's first begin with creating our home site. So this is the Contoso Limited. So I have a very good site here, and this is the URL of that site, paraguide.sharepoint.com/site/site pages.homepage. This is the home page of our site. Now I want to change, I don't want this as my home page, I want to create another home page. So I'll go to site contents, I'll go to site pages, and I'll click on new. So I'll add it as Contoso home.aspx, and I'll click on create. So this will create my home page. So now my home page is created and it is asking me to enter some content. So first of all, let's add some text. So let's add something about this company. So welcome to Contoso, and we have very good formatting options given by Microsoft here. So I'll take it 8, and if you want to change color you can change the colors as well here. So I need to change the layout of the page so as to display other features on this page, other features like let's say we have announcements or we have some party celebration pics. So what I will do, I will just first save this page, and now let's go to site contents. Now I need to add announcements so that we have to display it on home page. So I'll go to add an app, and I will add announcements library announcements list, and I'll give it name Contoso announcements. So click on create, it will create a new list for you, and we can add some pretty good announcements here. So click on new announcements, it will help you to add announcements. I have some good announcements here. So these are the announcements: bring your kids to day work, and so here please bring your kids to office. So and it we can set here when it expires. So let's say it expires on Tuesday. Click on save. Similarly we can add one more announcement here. we are launching a new portal for our customers, and it expires on, let's say, 28th. Click on save. So basically now we have added couple of announcements. Now I want to add a picture library which will have our pics for pics of party celebration. So I'll click on picture library. So Contoso party pics, party pictures, and I'll click it on create. Now let's upload couple of party pictures here. Our New Year celebration. I'll copy it as path, upload, choose files, I'll just paste it. Now let's upload one more picture. This we are doing this so as to display it on our home page. Click on save. Now just go to our home page, or let's go to our site pages, and click on Contoso home. Now go to page, edit the page, and now we have to insert those web parts what we have created. Let's say announcement we have created just now. Click on add. Now in another page layout, click on insert web part and add our Contoso party pictures. This will add this as well, add our party pictures. And one more thing, now we have to make this page as our home page. So just go to page tab and click on make this page as home page. So just click on OK. It just gives you the warnings, and click on save. Yeah, as you can see, we are done with our home page. Now we have to change the look and feel of our company's site. So go to site settings, go to change the look. Now we have pretty good collection of different themes here. So I'll take this look for our home site and click on try it out. So this is applying the theme what we have selected. Now once we are done with this, we have to, now it will ask you to, do you really like what you see? Let's let it get open. Yes, I like it. So yes, keep it. Yeah, so this is our home site now. Now if you click on this icon as well, it will take you to your home site, and our home site, our home page is nothing but what we have created. See, this is how it looks now. Now let's create a site for HR. Go to site contents and click on new subsite. So I'll give it title as HR and HR. Now this will be our team site, and I want to display it in the quick launch of the parent site and as well as top link bar of the parent site, which is nothing but this one. So click on create. So this will create a new site for us. Now we have a requirement in HR department that they should have different lists or libraries to display their policy documents and different forms as well, so that users can download that form and take advantage of it. So I'll create here, add an app. So and we want to add a document library here, so that we can upload the documents. So I'll name it as policies and click on create. So I have some sample documents for policies, HR policies. I'm just gonna upload these documents in our document library what we have created just now, policies, and click on upload. Okay, similarly I'll upload the other document as well. Now we have to create another library which will show the forms. Go to site contents again, click on add an app and click on new document library. So policies, forms, and just I'll copy this as path and I'll create a library called forms. I'll just upload the forms what we have just now. Click on upload, choose files, and then I'll paste the path. Similarly click on upload, choose files and payroll, request for payroll correction form. Now that we have created our libraries, now we have to create a home page for our HR site. Now I'll go to site pages again and click on new. Now this we will name it as HR home and create. Now this will add a page in so this has added a page. Now we have to insert the web parts or the libraries what we have created. Now we have created just now the forms library. We will insert it quickly, and below that we want to insert the policies. Click on insert web part, web part. In under apps we have policies, so click on add. So this will add forms and policies on the HR home page. Now we want to make this page as our home page, so go to page tab and click on make it as home page. Click on OK. Now this page is this site home page, and now click on save. So this is our home page. Now we have to change the look and feel of this HR site. So quickly go to site settings, click on change the look under look and feel, and select a theme what like we did for our root site. So this is a theme that I'll take now. So it will ask us to try it first. Okay, yes, I'll keep it. Yeah, so this is our HR site. So I will go to home page to check how it looks like. Yeah, this is the one. It looks good. So now let's go to our home page, which is nothing but a Contoso site. Yeah, so now I'll create another site for IT department. Now quickly go to site contents, click on new subsite and click on title IT. Similarly, website address will be like this. Create a team site and display the site on quick launch parent. Yes. Use the top link bar. Yes. And click on create. So this will now create a IT site for IT department. Yeah, so we have another subsite for IT department. Now we have a requirement for IT department. So we have a requirement for IT department, like they want to add a simple ticketing system where users will be able to submit the form. Okay, so now let's begin with this first. So let's create another list. So go to site contents, add an app and create a custom list. Name it as IT ticket log and click on create. Now we'll go to this list. Now I want to add few columns here so as to capture the ticket details. Now go to list tab, click on list settings and at the bottom under columns tab we have create column. So click on create column. So first of all we need to get the ticket category. So we'll take this as choice column and we need to add here a different choices, like for under which category the ticket will fall. Let's say it will fall under hardware category or software category, or let's say some maintenance. Now click on OK. So this is the ticket description column we have created, ticket category. Now we have to create another column called ticket description, which will add some description or issues that users are facing, and I'll select this as multiple lines of text, keep other settings as it is and click on OK. And now create another column which will capture the priority of ticket. So priority with the column name, I'll take this as choice menu and I'll take this as low, medium and high. Low, medium and high, and I'll take this as radio buttons. And now the by default value will be low and click on OK now. So this has created our list, IT ticket log list. Now we'll create a home page for this. IT site. Go to site contents. Under site pages, click on new. So I'll give this page name as IT home. By default you can see the URL as well here. What will be the URL of this page? Now click on create. Now I want to insert the log ticket log system or our ticket log list what we have created just now, and now go to click on insert tab, go to web part and then click on IT log, ticket log, and click on add. So this will add our ticket log system here. Now go to page tab, make this page as our home page and click on OK. Now what I want here is to group our ticket. Click on edit web part and click on edit the current view. So it will ask you to, you can say yes, leave this page. And we have different options here. So now under go to group by and select the priority and make it as descending. So now click on OK. We have to add some new tickets here, so let's click on new item. Now let's say software installation, title will be software installation, category would be software, and ticket description, please install MS Office on my desktop. The priority will be medium and click on. And now let's say I want to add another ticketing ticket here, so its title will be urgent hardware required, hardware required. Ticket category will be hardware. Ticket description, I need an urgent RAM of 4 GB. Okay, ticket's priority will be high and click on save. This will save the ticket. Now what we have here is, so as you can see now the tickets are grouped by, let's say I want to change the look and feel of this site. So I'll go to site settings, under look and feel I'll click on change the look, and under change the look I'll select this as my look and click on try it now. And click on yes, keep it. So this will change the look and feel of our IT site. So this is how our IT site will look now. So just click on logo, it will go to our home page and we can see here the different look and feel. So now we are done with this part, creating HR site, IT site, and now we are left with sales site. So quickly let's create sales site. So I'll go to my home page, that is my root site Contoso, and from site settings I'll go to from site contents I'll create a new subsite, and I'll give the title as sales and site as well as sales, and it will be also a team site. I will like to have it in my quick launch, and I would like to have it on my top link bar, and click on create. So this will create our sales site. Now what requirement we have for sales department is to have different sales documents. So basically now, like we did for HR, we are in a similar way we are going to create a document library for sales department. So click on add an app and click on document library and name it as sales documents. So click on create. So this will create a document library for sales, and now I want to add few documents here, and go to sales document library, click on upload. I have some forms here, sales, and this format, business monthly sales template report. So copy as path, choose files, and then open, and then click on OK, then click on upload. I will upload another document that I have in that folder, monthly marketing sales report. So we are done with it. Now let's create a home page. Go to site contents, go to site pages, and click on new, and name it as sales home, and click on create. Now I am pretty sure you are very well aware now how to insert our list web part, or we can say document library. So click on insert, click on web part, and then insert sales documents, click on add, and now make this page as our home page. OK, and then save it. Now we are going to change the look and feel of our sales site as well. Go to site settings, under look and feel, click on change the look. Let's say I want to take it as red, and click on try it out. And click on yes, keep it. So now let's go to home page. So this is what our sales site will look like. Now that we have covered almost all our points, the only point we have left here is that each department will have their own videos featuring their strengths. So what we will do here is, now we have to embed the videos here. So I'll go to my home page, and let's say I want to add videos on my home page here. So let's say I'll click on page, click on edit. I have nice and good videos as featuring the strengths of this Contoso company. So here I'll click on insert, and then we need to embed those videos. Like we have videos on YouTube and we have to embed those videos. So I'll click on embed, and we need to have URL or the scripts which will be helping us to display the videos on our home page. So let's say for HR department I have this. I'll show you how you can get this. So once you get this, once you click on embed, you have to just paste this script which will insert the video for HR strength. So as you can see here, we have displayed our HR strength. So you can add some text here like our HR strength. So I'll just do some formatting, increase the font size, and click on save. So our page will be very nice and tidy here. So now the question here is, how can you get those embed URLs, these embed URLs? So let me show you this. So once you go to youtube.com and let's say I want to get something like SharePoint videos and click on OK. So now let's say I want to get some videos like SharePoint tutorials getting started. Click on that video. Once you go here, you can see here share option. Click on that share option. We don't need this URL. Click on embed, and from here you can get this embed URL. Just pick it up and then paste it in your embed snippet. So let's go back to our home page and add couple of more videos featuring strengths of our IT and sales departments. So go to page, edit the page, and let's say I'll add it under this, our IT strengths. Just add some formatting here, and now click on insert video and audio and then embed it. So I have your YouTube embedded script here, and so as soon as you insert the embed URL, you can see here the preview. Now click on insert. So this has inserted our IT strengths video. Now what we are left with is our sales team strength. Okay, so as in similar way I will insert another video. Go to insert video and audio, click on embed and get this video here. And click on insert. Now we are done with this, and now click on save. So our IT strengths, our HR strengths, and our sales team strengths. Okay, so this is what we have done so far. Created different sites, created the documents and documents for lists with the use of lists and libraries, and created common navigation, created a simple ticketing system, and we have added the videos here. So this is it for now. Thank you very much for watching this video.